Hello, this is Rich McQueen's doghouse. I built it from. I built it. In fact, I just finished it today, and I'll take you a picture of all around the doghouse. It's for these fellas. Yes, big doghouse. Yes, you can fit about 3 kids in here. It's really huge. This is the back side of it. The only problem I have now is transporting it. It's big enough for the back of your truck, but I'll get it there. This is the side. I did the roofing. Yeah. This is the whole house. This is the house for these dogs over here. This dog here. See this dog here? He loves to bark. He's here, boy. There's some big dogs over here. See the dogs? They're barking on the porch. Well, anyway, it's a big dog house. And also, I've built 2 bird houses right here. Here. I just put them on the tree. The birds can get on this side. And over here. I built those for the birds. I built a bird house first. First I built a bird house. Then I said I'm going to build a dog house. And next, I might build a human house out of scrap material. And I just was trying to get through with this house. So it took a lot of work. Finally got it done. I'm proud of myself. I feel like I can make a bigger one. So that's it. Well, I'll talk to you later. Bye.